Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Chrome not responding and nothing happen after clicking on it. So how to fix this error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open a search and type a run. Open a run command and type a percentage local app data and percentage and press OK. Guys, after opening that, find out a Google, open it, open a Chrome, open a user data. After that, find out a default, right click and rename it default underscore OLD and press OK. Click on again. Now after that you can see data folder in used. So if you are open a Google Chrome, then close it, and after that right click, rename it underscore OLD and press OK. Now after doing this step, close it, and after that open a Google Chrome. Now you can see that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a control panel, go to your program and features, and select a Google Chrome and uninstall from your PC. Click on yes button, yes to uninstall it. After uninstalling that, go to your any browser, find out a Chrome, type a download Google Chrome. Wait a few seconds. The downloading will be started. If downloading not started automatically, then click on it. Click on save button. Open a Google Chrome setup, and after that installing a Google Chrome. Now after doing this step, your problem fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.